How to fix fast iPhone battery drain. Where to fix fast iPhone battery drain, you wanna immediately update to the latest iOS version. So head into settings. Once you head into settings, head into the option here that says general. Once you head into general, you want to find software update. If there is any latest updates, make sure automatic updates is enabled and update to the latest version. Similarly, the next thing is you want to enable auto brightness. Now, not enabling auto brightness, what it is if you have enabled high brightness, then it'll set to that. But if you have enabled auto brightness, it'll adjust itself according to the lighting around you. Now also you can enable optimized battery charging and a battery saver mode as well. So scroll down your notification panel. If you do not see battery saver mode here, tap and hold on it and then tap on add a control and select the low power mode and add it, and you can switch to low power mode. Now if you have various applications installed and there are certain apps that can run in the background, then you want to uninstall that, or if there is any unused apps, you can uninstall those as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.